Welcome to All Motors brand, your ultimate destination for everything related to vehicles, aviation, defense technology, and cutting-edge engineering marvels from across the globe. Whether it's the roar of a supercar engine or the supersonic burst of a fighter jet in the skies, we bring you thrilling insights and in-depth knowledge about machines that define power, performance, and precision. From land to air and beyond, All Motors brand is here to deliver high-quality content for enthusiasts, learners, and professionals who have a passion for mobility and machinery. Join us as we dive into the world of advanced vehicles, military tech, and modern engineering. Today, we turn our attention to a machine that has earned legendary status across the skies of the world, especially in the hands of the Pakistan Air Force. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is not just a fighter jet. It's a symbol of technological evolution and aerial dominance. This video will explore the reviews, specifications, and features of the F-16 used by Pakistan, giving you a detailed breakdown of what makes this aircraft one of the most reliable and respected platforms in aerial combat. The F-16 Fighting Falcon was originally developed by General Dynamics, which later became part of Lockheed Martin. Its journey began in the 1970s, and since then, it has been exported to more than 25 countries, with over 4,600 units produced. Pakistan is one of the key operators of this aircraft, and over the decades, it has become the backbone of the Pakistan Air Force's combat capabilities. The reason the F-16 continues to serve effectively is due to its modular design, advanced avionics, high maneuverability, and capacity for upgrades that allow it to compete even against modern fifth-generation fighters in specific roles. In terms of reviews, the F-16 is highly praised for its balance of agility, firepower, and reliability. Pilots often commend its excellent cockpit visibility, fly-by-wire controls, and adaptability in various combat scenarios. It is known for its ability to execute tight turns and rapid climbs, a feature critical in dogfighting situations. Its cost-effectiveness compared to other fourth-generation fighters is another reason it remains popular among many air forces, especially those seeking powerful multi-role fighters without exhausting defense budgets. Now let's dive deeper into the specifications and features of the F-16 Fighting Falcon, especially the variants used by Pakistan. The aircraft typically has a top speed of around Mach 2 or approximately 2,400 kilometers per hour. It has a combat radius of about 550 kilometers and a ferry range that exceeds 4,200 kilometers with external fuel tanks. Its service ceiling is approximately 50,000 feet, allowing it to engage threats at very high altitudes. One of the defining features of the F-16 is its thrust-to-weight ratio. With a powerful engine like the Pratt & Whitney F-100 or the General Electric F-110, the F-16 can climb at an ASTO